taking a good advantage in an online session, right? So our image and our appearance is only the in front of the camera. It's just only the upper torso. So how you can create much more effective manner so that you can create your first impression? How many of you want to create a first impression? Yes or no? Type in the chat box. Right. Exactly, Vikas. Exactly. And first impression is formed by within 5 to 7 seconds. Let me tell you, it's a Harvard research set. Within 5 to 7 seconds, without speaking a single word. And 93% is all about your non-verbal communication. And in non-verbal communication, your facial expression, your body language, and your overall clothing style. Did you relate with this? And people have their photographic memory. I'm telling you, we all are human beings. We all are associated with the face or recognized with the face. Do you remember during your childhood, during your college times, right now, you may still forget his or her name, but you right now you remember or recognize through their faces. How many of you? Right? Yes, Shagufta. Could you please tell me? Do you remember your teacher's face, or did you remember what are the attire she carry or he carries? Right? I really want to. This session would be a conversational. Anyone you want to share it with me? Vikas, Karishma, do you remember anyone from your childhood or from your school times? And why you remember? What is the main personality you remember?
Yes, I still remember one of my English teachers in my sixth standard. She was a very short-heighted lady,
Ah,
but she
ah.
always wore a sari very well pleated and crisp and this, and she had a very beautiful way of showing up. She was a Bengali. She was dark skinned, but yes, I do remember. I now though while I am remembering all of her attributes, I'm remembering how she was Mrs. Boss. So
Yeah.
now I remember, but I am normally speaking very bad with the names. I can't remember names, but as I can absolutely remember how this was something that I saw. So I'm good with that, the image
Yes,
of the people.
yes, exactly. And thank you so much, Karishma. You have shared your nuggets. Anyone you would like to share? Okay, no problem. Thank you. So,
I
see, yes, anyone?
I I too agree, ma'am.
Yeah.
That image matters a lot because I can recall my few teachers, very well dressed in the sari and having their confident approach while before coming into the class.
Mm.
And today, in case if we doesn't recall their names, but we can always, recall with their presence, the look
Yeah.
basically.
Ah,
So again, like Karishma, I am also bad in remembering the names,
yeah.
but yes,
Yes,
this
exactly.
appearance.
Yes, appearance matters a lot. Thank you so much, Mamta. And your appearance is your silent introduction. It's a silent visual resume. हम बनाते हैं resume, CV, everything for to get their job, right? To get the appointment or a promotion. But for you, individual as a personality, it's a silent visual introduction. It's a walking the path, walk the talk, so that people can recognize when you step into the room and they turn their head and say, who is he or she? And hota hai aisa, right? And remember always, as Karishma said, rightly said, your appearance is not the vanity. It's a strategy. It's a pure strategy game when and how you be that confident. Confidence comes after, but before having the clarity of your own appearance. When the clarity begins, confidence automatic comes. It is not about having confidence enough. No, confidence tab aayega when the clarity begins. And the clarity comes when you understand about the awareness about who you are as a person. So first need to understand everyone, who you are as a person inside. Then you can embrace your image outside through your appearance, through your behavior, through your talk. Right? And please, everybody write it down or in your mind. Image has three pillars. Three pillars. Today, I would like to share it with you. Three pillars. And these three pillars create a magnetic presence. How it comes? The first pillar is all about your inner image. How you feel about yourself. It's all about your mindset and your inner confidence. And inner confidence, how you can build it? Because confidence is not the trait. This personality trait is like this. No, it's a trained state. You have to work on your inner image. Trained. I'm not saying trait, T-R-A-I-T, trait. It's not the trait. It's a trained state. You have to train every single day. जैसे हम train करते हैं ना लोगों को. It's a trained state. And your inner dialogue reflects about your posture, your tonality, your energy. So first, before you hop up into the outer image, first you bring and channelize your inner image, who you are as a person. What is your self-worth? Are you influenced to other people or are you influenced to your own self with your thought process? What are your core values? So that when your core values are aligned with your clothing choices, then it will create a congruence. Right? So in that manner, you create your own self perspective about yourself. And once the perception is formed, the outer perception is in your hand. And the perception is all about your image. And that image create your first impression. It is not the rocket science. How you create your first impression? Once you work into your inner image, then outer image automatically blown up. How many of you are relate with this? If you are not feeling inside confident, how you can embrace it? First, you work on your inner work. Right? And the second pillar is your outer image. Remember, whenever you create your image in terms of express to impress, right? So for impression, you have to create your overall appearance in terms of roles and goals. Where you are going, what is your role? So appearance and style, which signifies your outer image. And your outer image, which is relate with your grooming, your clothing choices. And having said that, what is your innate identity? Every individual has their own innate power, innate choices, innate identity. You find out what is your identity. What brings you make feel happy? What color choices you really love it for to having to wear those pieces, right? So find out all these things and reflect on your goals. So the second is your outer image. And remember, people always listen with their eyes. You have to speak with your appearance. Yes, Karishma, you want to share something?
No, I'm good. I'm just, soaking in whatever you're saying.
Yes,
I'm taking notes as well.
exactly. These are the important parts. And how many of you want to see my own transformational journey? Type excited in the chat box. Can I share my story with you all? This is not like instant transformation. It takes process. It takes years of transformation. How many of you want to see my own story? Thank you so much. Can I share my screen? Yes. Yeah, thank you. I want to share one of my important aspect regarding my own inner transformation. When I was, just one second, I would love to share it with my screen. Yes, it's there.
Yes,
So in 2009, everybody see my screen?
yes.
I've complete right now its inner image, and the second pillar is the outer image. Now I would like to share my own transformation story. So in 2009, this was me. I was like that. And I really love myself, no doubt about it. Right. At the age of 23, I got married from a defense person. I am belong to from an engineering background. Got married early at the age of 23 and moving from different cities all over India. At 24, I got pregnant. I'm right now, I'm having my one son. He is in class 11th, currently complete his class 10 board exams. And I was so happy with the 4G lifestyle, with the travel different city and everything. But inside, I was not happy. Inside, I was something is missing in my own personality. Then I told to my husband something is missing. I couldn't enjoy my own being myself. Being from an engineering background, but I am much more in a creative person. Though I was teaching in Navy Children's School, Indri Vidyalaya School, wherever we got posted in Kochi, Rajasthan, Assam, everywhere. I really enjoyed the cantonment life, but inside I was not happy enough because my creative knack of being into design something to the people, because having said that, connection with the people. If Fauji wife comes to my home and I design their overall styling and grooming, then I thought of let's continue with this journey and being certified international image consultant. And this is the year of 2025. I truly transformed myself being a image international certified image consultant, and there is no looking back. So it is the matter of if person said to you, you look so effortlessly. So being effortlessly होने के लिए, I put so much effort over the years of time. I have put my own self into that grind zone to make it happen for my own individual identity. So this transformation, if I can do it, you all can do it. It is not about your skills, your experience. Yes, it is matters a lot when you have the chance to perform. But before this, you have to create your first impression first. And remember, everyone, success has two parameters. Once they have given the chance based on your first impression, and the second one is you need to perform based on your skills, your experience. आपको पहले चांस मिलता है बेस्ड ऑन फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन में, आपको परफॉर्म करना पड़ता है, आफ्टरवर्ड यू शोकेस योर स्किल. And my mentor always told me, you don't have to be great to start, you have to start to become great. So this mantra always in my head, and I always enjoy that process no matter what. Just be in that process and be in that game. Right? Then a certified image consultant as a keynote speaker, facilitator, having the 5+ years of experience, defense background, I have trained 3,000 plus trained people online and offline with various organizations, and a proud awardee by Parliament of India to groom news anchors of Rajya Sabha. How? Because I have that desired, burning desired dream. I want to do different in terms of image management. I have to create my own chair to be in that table as per being an image consultant, so that I can share my wisdom of knowledge to the people. And I am the founder of Image Unlocks. This is my brand name. And there are so many mentors. First, I bow down my Guruji, all my mentors, my international mentor, John D. Martini, Blair Singer, and of course, my family as well. Without their support, I cannot do. Yes, they are the backbone of my pillar. And I've trained IAS cadre officers, CME Pune, the class 1 gazetted officers, those who are going for having the ceremonial visit with the our president of India. So they have used to band gala suit. This is a norm of their roles and goals. That's what image is so important. What kind of clothing attire you want to wear? What is the occasion? So for that, their occasion is to meet President of India. So they must wear band gala jacket because it creates a authority and credibility being an officer with the red color of pocket square. So these are my uh, some few of training experiences with another. Harvard University conducted that 80% of your achievement determined by your soft skills and your image management. And 20% is all about your hard skills. Now you see, in today's time, if our Prime Minister Narendra Modi took us a proper session of image management while they are appointing as a Prime Minister of our country. So we are also looking for to create our own image in such a manner which is appropriate, authentic, attractive, and affordable. I repeat it. You all are create your image in terms of 4 A's. One is your appropriateness. Write it down. Appropriateness means as per the rules, goals, what kind of message you want to project. Respect that occasion. That is called an appropriateness. हम शादी में जाते हैं तो हम शादी के हिसाब से हम ड्रेसेस पहनते हैं. हम शादी वाली शाइनी ड्रेस तो हम कॉर्पोरेट इवेंट्स में नहीं पहन सकते ना, राइट? द चॉइस ऑफ कलर्स, द डिजाइन ऑफ क्लोथ्स, it matters a lot. What kind of colors you choose. So appropriateness is the topmost priority. The second A is authenticity. You inspired from others' source of inspiration about the styling, but you inspired by your own self, who you are as a person, so that your appearance also reflect who you are. Right? And third A is your attractiveness. How many of you want to really look beautiful or very smart individuals? How many of you wants to look like? Everybody, na? If someone compliments you, like Karishma, you look so flawless. What are you wearing? And you say, oh yeah, thank you so much. If Mamta's compliment, oh Mamta, your hair is so beautiful. What kind of shampoo you using, right? And you're in your face, you're smiling on your face. Yes, today I got my nugget, right? So everybody wants compliment, na? You just that compliment, you just be with that compliment, right? So it is about how you carry yourself and what kind of clothing you carry based on your body shape. Because every body shape is respectful. It's not about a clothing problem, or it is not about body shape problem. It is about what kind of clothes you carry based on your body shape. Where to highlight, which areas to camouflage so that you become much more attractive. And the fourth A is affordability. I'm not saying you go for into the mall and you go for the impulsive shopping. No, I won't say at all. I better to say you have to be mindful shopping. You have to be into that zone of mindful shopping so that you can create multiple outfits within a minimal number of outfits. How many of you are doing that like in a similar manner? Right? So that less is formal and a normal. How many of you did you notice is in your almirah or in your wardrobe, whatever clothes in your backside of your almirah, never wear. If something is visible in your in front of your eyes, you always choose to wear those clothes, right? So affordability also matters. Every outfit has the cost per wear. It has logic also. It's a science as well. So from the last 5 years, I'll be very mindful about my clothing choices. 5 years back, I was constantly purchasing new things. अभी ये इवेंट आ गया, चलो ये लेते हैं. अभी ये आ गया, तो it's more of like a bunch of clothing, dense clothing material in a world. It's more about the clothing population. How you segregate? Do your mindful choices without going for an impulsive shopping. Right? So it is a matter of the affordability as well. So when you are into that affordability, that means that you create or bring harmony in your life. So in my life, when my husband talk about, oh my God, Shweta तो भी कुछ खरीदती नहीं है, अभी क्या हो गया, वो ठीक तो है ना? I would say yes, I am okay with that, no worries. अरे कुछ तो ले लो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम है क्या? Because shopping is my therapy, go to therapy. I know most of the girls has their own shopping therapy. सिर दर्द हो रहा है, shopping करने जाओ, ठीक हो जाएगा. But my therapy is right now shifting towards different tangent. So these are the important aspect. Now I would like to give you a beautiful starter for your own self. Create your own signature style outfits. Everybody, afterwards, after this session, go to your wardrobe, see your wardrobe, and think about it. What can I bring into the table for the different occasion? I would say I would like to create my 3 outfits. Ask yourself, how many of you want to create your outfits for a different occasions? 3 outfits, signature outfits, and share it with Karishma's community. Right? You must be very happy. So you all create your 3 signature outfits. And the third pillar is your expressed image. One is to be covered your inside image. Second is your outside image. And you have to express yourself now. how you create your expression image. It's about your overall body language, the tone, your online presence, right? Now, did you remember in an online presence, did you notice your camera, your background, your upper torso is to be visible, appropriate, is to create your focal point so that the person could not distract from here and there. You have to create your focal point in your face because I'm telling you, it is not the vanity, it's a strategy. And use clothing as a resource tool. When we go into the kitchen, when we eat, when we make something interesting dishes, right? Some dishes. So we have to keep intact so many ingredients, huh? We have to take utensils, masalas, everything, right? So why you are not putting to showcase your personality to use clothing as a resource tool? So for the next time, today onwards, always remember clothing as a resource tool and showcase who you are as a person. Either be an online presence, offline presence, your body language, your tonality is to be appropriate. If I come in this session and I'm starting your session like this, is it appropriate? I'm too close to the camera. Okay, hi. So a little distraction. If I sit here in a proper position, being in the center head, and my voice is a subtle and where to emphasize my words, that is much more okay. Are you getting my point, everyone? So these things matters a lot. So all the three pillars are as important before into step into your transformational journey. And your transformational journey, you have to ask yourself 3 E's. What are the 3 E's? Write in the chat box. Write it in the chat box. 3 E's. From today onwards, you have to work on all 3 E's. Thank you. So the 3 E's formula is you have to evaluate first. Where you right now? What is your image today? Versus where your desired image, where you want to be. So your current image and your desired image, and what are the important essential elements you want to bring into your own personality. So one is evaluation of your own image. कहाँ गड़बड़ी हो रही है, कहाँ चेंज करने की जरूरत हो रही है, इन योर बिहेवियर में या बॉडी लैंग्वेज में या क्लोथिंग में. Second E is enhancement. So whatever you have curate in your transformation journey, step one piece at a time. If it is working on your mindset, in your appearance style, or in your speech, so you have to enhance your any aspect one at a time. Upgrade one piece of advice. And the third E is embody yourself. Practice consistently, be in that image. हम बोलते हैं ना embody करना है हमको, हमें alignment लाना है. And when you practice is, your presence is a consistent muscle. Because you have already create your magnetic presence. So magnetic presence is a muscle building exercise. You have to keep working on your muscle building. And that muscle building is your magnetic presence. And remember, you do not change who you are as a person. You have to bring who you are and into that alignment. Because every individual is unique and their own signature style from inside out. Are you getting my point? And at the end of today's session, I would like to share my mentor's advice that I always bring in my mind. Your smile is your logo. Your personality is your business card. And the way you make others feel is your trademark.
Wow, that was absolutely phenomenal. I would invite anybody, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask Sweta. And Sweta, I also wanted to ask you, you have written 3 books. You have not
Yes,
shared about that with us.
yes, definitely. And my current right now, thank you so much, Karishma, you brought this point. So my current notebook is all about impression sells before the skill do. And it's a 21 days exercise kind of book. Because whenever you work on your impression, you make your image 100% workable. And this is my experience. And this book is on available on Amazon. Is it visible? Right. So this is my book. You can go and have a look and take this book. This is about all my past few years of my experience. So thank you so much.
Wow. I would love to, for you to, if possible, you can maybe share the link in the chat box if people wish to buy, or they can copy it and they can keep it with themselves just in case they want to, go and
Yes, yes,
purchase
yes.
it.
I would love to share in the chat box. Yes. Sure.
And yes, I invite you guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask, or else I'll wrap up the session. Any questions? All right, let's go with Vikas. Please, okay, let me unmute you. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes. So thank you, Sweta, and first of all, thank you, Karishma, for bringing in Sweta. We had the chance to listen to her for a few minutes in our event, but then I wanted to hear more from her. And I thank Karishma for bringing in Sweta, and thank you, Sweta, for sharing in so elaborately, so exhaustively the minute details which we otherwise tend to neglect. I will share my experience.
Yes.
जब भी मैं इंटरव्यू के लिए जाता था तो आई यूज टू थिंक अगर मोरे में नॉलेज है इफ आई रियली नो माय स्टफ then how does it matter what I wear, right? This was the perception that I used to carry earlier. But then rightly said by you, we have to use our cloth as a resource relevant for the purpose, relevant for the role, relevant for the goal. आप शादी के कपड़े ऑफिस प्रेमाइस में तो पहन के नहीं जाओ.
Right.
In the same manner, yes, people will listen to you only when they come near to you.
Yes.
And they will come near to you only when they see from the outward appears first, right?
Yes.
So yes, I have lately realized the importance of this clothing to be used as resource and how we carry ourselves. And I like the way that you emphasized about this inner appearance first, the how we carry the perception of ourselves inside, right? So once you take care of that, you have to go to the next step. Then comes the expression. So inner expression, then the outer expression. So you covered it very well, and thank you for that. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vikas. I'm glad you realize that, yes, your outer image is as important, whatever you have skills and your experience, because it matters a lot both inside and out. Thank you.
Wow, thank you, Vikas, for sharing that. That reminds me as well of, how we keep on working on inner self, because we are on a journey of self-development. But then
Yes.
on the way, we just forget. We say, "Ye bhad mein jaye." We will look at it later. let me work on myself. And on the journey, you just forget how you have to be, screen present as well. Um, all right, let's go with Mamta. Mamta, please unmute yourself and share.
Thank you, ma'am, for being here with us on this platform. And my question is related to the enhancement you were talking about. I would like to know a little more on that.
Okay, so enhancement in terms of your inside or expressions, or enhancement in terms of what you are looking for. Could you please elaborate on that so that I can be better share from my
I
understanding?
just missed that point actually when you were saying na step one aspect wala point. I just missed it out. That's why I wanted to know about it.
Okay. Okay, I'll share it again. The pointers are like, so first your inside image based on your overall your confidence, innate confidence based on your self doubt, self esteem, how confident you are inside. What are the major factors that you are carry from over the period of time? So to break that pattern, first you need as an individual who you are as a person, right? So it's all about your mindset, your inner pattern. When the first inside is all okay, then you can work on your second pillar, that is an outside image. An outside image is all about your appearance, your style, your body language, right? In appearance, ask yourself these two questions. Where am I going? What kind of message do I need to project? Because every individual outfit also present a message. You want to create a message authoritative, credible, reliable, easygoing, or friendly. And every message has their own significant value, right? So analyze yourself. When you understand about outside image, then you express yourself. How you express yourself? Through your body language, through your tonality, through your facial expression. Is an online presence, is my images appropriate or not? You tell me, if you have a innate set of skills, बहुत सारी नॉलेज है आपको, बट आप उसको प्रेजेंट ही नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो उस नॉलेज का क्या करेंगे? We have a numerous amount of coaches, consultant, MSME founders, but there is a 1 lakh area. They won't present themselves appropriately. And at the end of the day, people worried about their own self. I have very good amount of knowledge. Why people are not taking me seriously? People taking me granted? This is the loophole area. If we realize that yes, I need to work on my all these gap areas, so there is no problem at all. Getting my point? So use as clothing is a resource tool. It's a strategy where whatever you put in your social media, just be mindful about that, because it will create your signature style and personal brand as well. I hope I'm sharing the great set of answer. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, one thing I would like to ask also that many of the times now I wear formal clothes at my workplace, but whenever I feel I wear kurti or the suit, पहन तो मैं जाती हूँ, but I don't feel that much confident. And 99% I always wear the Western clothes.
Okay.
I mean the formal ones. So,
Okay.
but जिस दिन मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मैंने कुर्ती पहना या सूट पहना तो मेरा मोराल थोड़ा सा नीचे रहता है, या मे बी आई एम अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट.
Okay.
But yes, people give compliments in the suits more.
Right.
So that is a complicated situation for me, but I always go with which I am confident.
Absolutely okay, Mamta. So whatever you wear, being with that confident skin as well. आपको जो सही लग रहा है, और समटाइम्स क्या होता है, ओकेजन की क्या डिमांड है, आपके ऑफिस का कल्चर क्या है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट व्हाट इज योर ऑफिस कल्चर. Is there any some particular kind of dressing that you are carry, or it's sometimes okay, you can amalgamate with your own style as well. So need to understand the office culture first, what kind of message you want to project in terms of your associate colleagues, in your boss. Then you can mix and match kind of approach. Either be in the suits, if you're looking for the kurtis, go with the solid colors, straight cut color, angularity is also there. If it is printed or a flowery print, so it doesn't suit in your office culture,
Absolutely.
right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mamta, for that question, and thank you, Sweta, for reiterating on the points. Anybody else has any questions? All right. Yes, Komal, please unmute yourself.
Yeah. Thanks, Karishma. Thanks, Shweta, for this beautiful, amazing session we had together. This line, which is particularly about 80% soft skills and 20% is your hard skills, fits into the mind, which shows and the question you asked. As a child, also, we were noticing how teacher is dressing up. So that particular question like awakes us
Yes,
from our yeah
yes,
thought process. True. We were subconsciously also we were always looking towards people. We are looking and we think like no, it doesn't matter. We are trying to say that it doesn't matter, but we know that it matters. Okay. So and the next one is the same, like ditto, completely same like Mamta, that when we are ethnic or Indian, maybe we need to work on that. Maybe we need to the way you were guiding,
yeah.
same thing. We need to know which type of Indian we need to wear. Because when I wear ethnic, same, it makes me feel, I was just typing, it makes me feel a bit uneasy or low confidence. Or maybe like, oh, Indian. It should not be like that. We should be proud of India and something beautiful vibe should come. But unfortunately, that is not happening somehow because maybe as kids we were not wearing those things. It can be that reason because till 18 years we were not wearing anything Indian or ethnic, not much. So it was always Western things. So now transition takes time. It can be that, I feel. So when we wear Indian, it's like, okay, married women are wearing so something, but people compliment, same like Mamta. They say you look, this is real you. This is something like this sometimes, but yeah, we have to mix and match and know. This can be a complete session. Know when to wear Indian and when to wear Western and how to amalgamate both of them.
Yes,
Like
yes,
know
yes.
the occasions. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Very good analogy, Komal, and thank you so much. You bring this point. I personally choose to wear in my corporate events, choose to wear saris, and I always retrite my own expression in terms of sari because I'm a proud Indian. So how can I amalgamate my sari styling through my own accessories choices, through my top style, and through channelize my confidence? Yes, I want to express my Indianness through my craft. So it's the matter what kind of colors you choose. Is that designer more? Is it structured more? What kind of designs into your sari? What kind of fabrics you have to wear? So it's all about your clothing values, which is aligned with your occasion-based dressing.
I feel choosing the right kind of ethnic Indian wear
Yes,
will
yes, yes, and absolutely, Indian is amazing. Look at Narayan Murthy's wife, Sudha Murthy. Look at Smriti Irani's when right now she's the cabinet minister. The clothing choices has different from when she was a Tulsi in some serial, right?
right.
Look at Mark Zuckerberg style has their own connotation of their own style with with their jeans, denim jeans, or the t-shirt when he was in their system of all the people. When he interact with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, his overall dressing style totally changed because he is into the dress to express zone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have another question.
Yes, please.
Maybe it is not related to this, but since you are a image coach, so I think you are the better person to give me the answer. Like in case if there is a, there is a place at our professional workplace wherein two people are talking to each other. One is the, let's assume the CEO, and there is See, I'll tell you the scenario. What has happened is me and my boss, we were talking to each other. My CEO came in and joined us,
Hmm.
right? And my CEO and my senior was talking to each other. And since I was standing by there, what do you suggest? I should be standing there or I should move out from their conversation?
Okay. So first to understand ki what is the harmony and communication between your senior person and other person as well. Because it is the matter of how you create your own proximities, how much the communication you, how much close to with that person, right? So it's the matter of how much the communication is to be taken care, and along with when you are standing in front of your seniors, look at your body language also. As a female, we generally tend to, for example, and this is very beautiful question that you have right now that you have brought this part. Generally, we women like said like we always touch our hair like this, like in general, but it's a very thin line. When you are into that professional forum, how you touch your hair in a very elegant manner in a one time. When you talk to the male person or when you talk to the female person, there is a different perspective. When you talk to the senior person, but how you showcase your elegance without destructing or distracting anything. So do not put your finger multiple times in your hair. It's better you can took care of your ears hair like this in a one time. It creates your elegance. It's a very small part, but it is effective and influential being as a woman.
Okay. And
Right?
secondly, second question, like the scenario I told you, actually this has happened to me recently.
Roughly.
And this time I spoke to my all the senior members of my organizations in a much more better way. So
Yeah.
this scenario has happened when me and my senior was talking each other and CEO came.
Hmm.
So I doesn't feel like good to leave in between.
Hmm.
Right. So I stood there only in a decent manner
Hmm.
and hear the conversation. And at the end of the conversation, I had something to discuss with the CEO. So I did it. But it was there into my mind ki in such scenario, ideally, matlab, is this the right way that what I did? Or
Hmm. Yeah,
that's why
yeah.
I'm asking.
See, in our mind, in our subconscious mind, because whenever we talk about the senior, so automatic brings our perception in our head in a different manner. So you take it as a part of initiation. Okay, fine. You have pursued your overall personality in a very elegant manner, and having said that, you spoke about things. Is the
Yes.
matter? It is not about कि आपको अंदर रखना है. आप बोलिए with a very fruitful manner. Sometimes हमें बोलने में hesitation होता है. ठीक? You spoke about the things in a very certain and a very appropriate way, and the tonality is also is to be very subtle. It is not about the aggressive manner कि ऐसा हो गया वैसा हो गया. No. If you speak your point of view in a very subtle manner, then you walk out in an elegant manner, they don't affect at all.
Because I still
Right?
remember at the last, I gave him one suggestion that, when we are on the growth part, awareness is there in the team, but I need the acceptance is one area where we need to work out. So that's it.
Right.
Matlab, I have not taken it in a much
Yes.
more way. Acha, second, ma'am, you were talking about Modi ji example, like, the symbol of the
Yes.
colors as an authority or so. So how it works for the females?
Yeah. So females and males have their same set of colors. It is a matter of what is the occasion, where are you going, how much the occasion is much more credible and authoritative. So based on the occasion, based on where you are going, what people you want to meet with, so there are different separate scenarios. Then we decide there are some separate colors, which colors are called wardrobe neutral colors. And in wardrobe neutral colors, there are some colors like olive green, charcoal black, black, brown, tan color. So these are the classic colors you can mix and match with the lighter tone of shades.
Thank you so much. My takeaway from this session is I have to create my own chair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Amazing. And that was very insightful, good question and a
Mm.
very beautifully answered, Sweta.
Yeah.
I saw Madhulika raised her hand. We will take one last question if we have, and we will wind up the session. Anybody have one last question? All right. Okay. So I would say what a powerful and a graceful session we have had. We have just experienced. Let's all take a moment to shower our love and gratitude to Shweta in the chat box. Drop, whatever emoticons you can refer to as, lots of love. If you are walking away with something truly, truly, truly transformative today, I would love for each one of you to share, what were your massive bulb ons in the group so that I can share it with Sweta because she's not a part of the group. And, she can also enjoy the amazingness that she has spread in this room today. Today's session reminded us that, transformation is not about a surface level glow up. It's a soul alignment, maybe soul realignment. And Sweta very beautifully broke it down into 3 pillars of self image transformation. First was inner image, how you see yourself, your beliefs, your mindset, your self-worth, your values. This is your foundation. Then comes your outer image, how you see your visible self, your appearance, your body language, your posture, right? Your clothing choices, your color preferences, and how aligned you are with your goals and personality, and how you are showing up in the outer world with in reference to that. And number 3 was expressed image. That is about your complete presence, the way you speak, your voice, your tone, your posture, your online presence, your grace in motion. I love the concept, धीरे से subtly ऐसे कर दो ऐसे करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yes, exactly.
This is what people will remember. This is what people remember when you leave the room. And
Yes.
here's what I love the most, the 3 E's element as well, that gives you a practical roadmap, that is evaluate, enhance, and embody. Isn't that so much? And isn't that so powerful? Let me know in the chat box. Which of the 3 pillars do you feel called to work and, right now? कि आपको किसके ऊपर काम करना है? Let me share it in the chat box. आपको inner self पे, outer self पे कि express self पे, किस पे काम करना है? एक्सप्रेस. व्हाट अबाउट अदर्स? और किसी को किसी चीज पे काम नहीं करना? ऑल आर ऑल परफेक्ट. आज के सेशन से सब कुछ ज्ञान मिल गया. Outer. Pooja says outer. Komal says inner and express the same. Absolutely wonderful. All right. And friends,
Karishma,
if
since ma'am said it is a continuous process, so I think
absolutely.
yeah,
It is absolutely a continuous process. It is not that आपने एक दिन काम कर लिया and it is going to be okay. मतलब throughout the life के लिए वो
we have to
setting.
build a muscle.
Absolutely.
It's a presence muscles. Yeah, it's a presence muscles, and it's more of like a brushing your teeth every single day. You just make that mark.
Absolutely.
We
And
have done the entire revision of the class.
yes. And Sweta, do you have any way wherein if anybody out here wants to take consultancy from you or something, do you have some kind of a system that they can connect with you?
Yes, absolutely. I can share my number. So those people who are looking for their services part, whatever the things, I'm giving you one-to-one because you have your own community. So for one-to-one, I'm giving you a free clarity call, and then you can all decide because for you, I'm giving you one-to-one personally, right? So I'll just
Wow.
share my number with everyone.
That is so humble and kind of you. Deep, deep, deep gratitude for that beautiful, gift.
This is my
to
number,
the
and
entire community.
yes, so this is my number, and I'll share my all the Insta social profile, my LinkedIn and my Insta profile, along with my book link with you, Karishma, so that you
Yes.
can share in your community
Sure,
people.
sure. Thank you so much. And friends, if today lit something up in you, know this, that what we do every day this is what we do every day in our book reading club. We don't just read books, we read ourselves, we reflect, we embody, and we transform. if you want to build this muscle consistently, if you want to belong with us, DM me, join in my, WhatsApp to explore what the journey could look like for you every weekend, or, at least I make sure that month में twice I'm bringing some speaker who gives massive, massive, massive value to you through the GrowthX weekends. And that happens on the Saturdays. Otherwise, we meet twice every day, Monday to Friday. That is 2 p.m. No, now it is 1:30 p.m. and raat ko 10 baje, whatever time suits you, you can be a part of us. And if you want to build this muscle of consistency, you belong with us, right? Once again, thank you so much, Shweta, for the grace, for the authenticity, and the deep wisdom. And to all of you, remember, you are your image, you are your presence, and you are your power. So show up like you mean it. All right. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend. And this is GrowthX, where we rise, we reflect, and we radiate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Karishma, for inviting me. Thank you so much for beautiful community, and I hope I've shared a beautiful sense so that this will definitely help you in your life journey as well. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care. Have a great weekend. Enjoy
Thank
your
you.
weekend. Bye.
Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you.